Alright, with this cucumber kimchi, you have to refrigerate it right away. Right, let's taste. Wonderful. I love it. Very crunchy. Just right flavors. Alright guys, follow me exactly step by step and you can make it in 20 minutes. Alright guys, are you excited? This is Korean cucumber kimchi. Alright, first we prepare 24 to 30 baby cucumbers, just like this one, right? Yes, choose fresh firm cucumbers, something crisp, and when you touch them, wash them gently under clean water. All right? Yes. So we are going to wash a couple of times, of course. All right, I'm done with the washing. All right, so I'm gonna show you how to cut those baby cucumbers into 8 pieces. All right, just like this. Right. If you prefer a bigger bite, then you can cut them into 4 big pieces. Of course, you can do that too. But I prefer 8 pieces. All right. Now, this is very simple as well. It only took me about 20 minutes. So you can simply do that at home, which this cucumber kimchi is a very healthy food as well. I know most Americans told me who I met and they told me they love cucumber kimchi. Now I am ready to mix them with my prepared sauce. Are you ready? Okay. Remember this one? Yes, it was from Korean Napa cabbage kimchi, right? Yes. I am going to use that the other half of the sauce that I saved up, of course. Yes, can you see that recipe? Of course, you can make that so easy. Now, take your time to mix them all evenly, right? Yes. So then I will be putting 2 tablespoons salt. Yeah, like I told you before with my Korean kimchi, Napa cabbages, I'll put my salt at the last minute. Alright, now it's about time to mix them all, but one last secret ingredient. What do I put? Sprite. Whole can. Yes, put them all in there. Alright, so once it's well mixed, it's ready. So, do you hear this sound? I love it. Now, it's all in there. We are going to mix them. Remember, by your hand, it's very important to put your touch. Take your time and don't rush it. Right? Cooking is not just about making food, it's about feeling it. This is the moment where everything comes together. Every piece coated, alright? Every flavor connected. Yes. Oh, look at that. Looks great. Yeah, you can enjoy it right away, of course. Yes, it's not like a Napa cabbage kimchi, alright? So this one has to go right into your refrigerator, yes, after you finish it. And yeah, that's it. It's all done. Simple, isn't it? Fresh looking and full of heart. Your hand touch, what makes it delicious food, right? Korean cucumber kimchi. Now I'm ready to put it into my container. And plus, when you lose your appetite, this cucumber kimchi will bring freshness to your table. Something that wakes up your appetite, right? And something that carries a piece of Korean tradition as well. So, at last, I put this toasted sesame seeds. Sprinkle them lightly, just like me, just a little bit. I wanted it to share something refreshing, simple, and full of life. Korean cucumber kimchi. Alright, I am going to taste it out. It's all done. This is a cucumber Korean kimchi. Alright, let's taste. Wonderful. I love it. Very crunchy. Just right flavors. Alright, with this cucumber kimchi, you have to refrigerate it right away. No waiting, no sit at room temperature. Alright? No. You have to put it back. Alright. Alright, I am going to show you how you're supposed to eat kimchi with. It's a cooked rice. Yeah, this is a medium grain rice, but it's very good. So, this is how we eat. Okay. This is the cucumber kimchi. So good. This is Napa cabbage kimchi. Enjoy your dinner.